Hi guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to get keywords or keyword ideas for free from Google Keyword Planner. Now, to start with, before you can access this tool, you need a Gmail account. So you have to be signed in to your Gmail account in order to use this tool. And when you've signed into your Gmail account, or when you have a working Gmail account, just um, head over to Google and you search for Google Keywords Planner. Then you click the results from ads.google.com and then you sign in. It takes you to this interface. Now you can discover new keywords here and you can get an estimated search volume and forecast. Now our interest in this tutorial is to discover new keywords. So I'll click here. Okay, the first step at discovering new keywords using Google Keywords Planner is this. You can discover keywords by just typing a seed keyword. Let me look for keywords like mm, make money online. Like, so I'll get some results about making money online. Let me see some keywords. We have ways to make money online. It tells about 10 to 100K average monthly search. The competition is medium. Now, if I'm to write, I'll be looking for competition that has low, although it doesn't mean that it's actually low, but we just have to, try on us on safe things. So we have get paid to take surveys. These are how to make money online. These are some of the related keywords ideas. Secret websites to make money, 10K to 100K. Some people are actually looking for any secret websites that makes money. Uh, Paid online surveys, quick ways to make money from home, easy ways to make money from home. You can see these keyword ideas. You see, we have about 805 of them. Best survey sites to make money. These are keywords ideas that you can write about. Fast ways to make money online. Things to sell money. People are actually looking for things to sell to make money. So you can write on things like this. Online jobs, ways to get paid online. So you can see that we have so many juicy keywords that we can actually write about. So this way you can download them. I'll download a CSV so that I can open it with my Excel, my Microsoft Excel. So it's downloading. It has downloaded. I can open it with my Microsoft Excel. And here now I can start sorting it out. For example, I'll remove the things I don't need. Maybe I don't need all these. I'll delete them. I'll just leave the keywords. I'll delete this. Now I have my keywords.